Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. The sequence A1, A2, A3 up to AN is such that A2 is equal to A1, A3 is equal to A1 plus A2. That means the current term is actually equal to sum of all previous terms. So AN is equal to A1 plus A2 all the way till A of n minus 1. If AN is equal to K, where n is greater than 2, then find the value of A of n plus 3. Now, if you have to write the value of an is actually equal to this terms, right? Or some of these terms. So a1 plus a2 all the way till a of n minus 1. And it is given to us that this is equal to k. Similarly, if you have to write a of n plus 1, we can actually write a of n plus 1 as an plus an minus 1 all the way till a1. Now, if you look at all these terms or sum of all these terms, this is actually equal to an itself, right? So an plus 1 can be written as an plus an or equal to 2an. Similarly, if we find a of n plus 2, we can write this as a of n plus 1, a of n plus all the way till a1. Now, if you look at all sum of all these terms, is actually equal to a of n plus 1 itself. So this is equal to a of n plus 1 plus a of n plus 1 or is equal to 2 times a of n plus 1. Similarly, we can say that a of n plus 3 is equal to 2 times a of n plus 2. So this is equal to 2 times a of n plus 1 and is equal to 2 times multiplied by 2 times a of n plus 1 is equal to 2 times an or is equal to 8 times an, and an value was equal to k. So that means this is equal to 8 times k or is equal to 8k. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to find similar problems and want to master the concepts of sequence, do check out the detailed video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you the concepts of sequence from scratch. I've also put a link to a playlist for sequence, where you'll find both the theory videos and similar solved problems like this to help you master the concepts. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.